Bonjour, welcome back to Odoo sur mesure.
Doodex.
I'm Jeff from Doodex. After 13 years building manufacturing systems on Odoo, here's the thing that quietly breaks factories. It's not making the product, it's planning it. That planning has a name, MRP, and most people assume you need a separate, specialized system for it. Today, I'll show you Odoo does it too, end-to-end, by building one real product, an office chair. Every plant I walk into is really asking the same three questions. Where is my production right now? Do I have the parts I need? And the big one, will I ship on time? Answer those three well, and you're running an MRP. MRP. In French, you'll hear it called GPAO. It's simply the software that plans and runs production. Your manufacturing orders, your work centers, what's being made, and the materials it all needs. Wrap sales, purchasing, and accounting around that, and you've got a full ERP. Here's the point. You don't need a separate, specialized system for the manufacturing side. Odoo does the MRP too, on one platform with a single set of data. And it always follows the same flow. Your bills of materials and routings tell Odoo what to build and how. It works out what's needed, it creates the manufacturing orders, it loads your work centers, and out come finished goods. Let's watch that run on a real product. One quick rule before we start. Watch the corner label. White, Native Odoo, standard, out of the box. Violet, Advanced Doodex MRP. Built by us on top of Odoo. That's it. Let's go. Alright, let's actually do it. And it all begins right here with what you make. This is your product catalog live in Odoo. And notice the label, Native Odoo, standard out of the box. Chairs, cabinets, bookshelves, desks, dozens of finished products, each with its own price, its own stock, all in one place. Take this office chair. That's the one we're building today. Follow me. It starts with an order. A customer wants our office chair. Here's the sales order. Let's confirm it. Now, watch what happens. The moment we confirm, just like that, Odoo builds the manufacturing order for us. No retyping, no copy-paste. And here it is, the order to build one office chair. But here's the thing, one finished product is never just one order. Click in and look at that. Quick pause. The label just changed. This child tree is Doodex, our layer on top of Odoo. Underneath, it's a whole tree of sub-assemblies. The frame, the base, the seat, each one its own manufacturing order. Dozens of them from a single chair. And every single one already knows what it needs. The components, the materials, right down to the last screw. That's your bill of materials, live. So before we plan a single date, Odoo already understands the whole build. Now, let's put it on the calendar. And here it is, the calendar. This is work order planning. Every operation you just created, laid out on one single timeline. Today on the left, and to the right, every step, exactly when it's set to run. Down at the bottom, the total, your workload day by day, so you always know how full the factory really is. Hover any bar and everything's right there. The operation, its work center, start, finish, duration. Nothing's hidden. Now, move one operation and watch. The whole connected chain follows automatically. Buffers kept, links intact. And if you change your mind, clear the trace or undo, nothing breaks. And see these ghosts? That's the before and after. Odoo remembers where everything was, so you always see what your move actually changed. Notice the colors, by the way. Each color is a work center: cutting, drilling, assembly. So you see at a glance which station is busy and when. Need the detail? Zoom in. A week, a day, every bar with its full name and the load per day right at the bottom. The plan stays readable. Or zoom all the way out, weeks, months, a whole horizon in one view. So that's work order planning. One board, the whole factory. And if something's blocked, it tells you honestly. Now, what if you could test a plan without touching the real one? That's next. So, here's the question. Can you promise a customer a date without touching your real plan? Meet simulation. Here's a brand new order, a corner desk, already built as a manufacturing order. A simulation starts from your real world. All 22 real orders right there. And our new one lives on top, safely separated. Here's our order inside the simulation. Same form, same operations, but nothing here touches the real factory. And see the star? This corner desk is flagged as a priority. Watch for it on the Gantt. Its operations will carry a golden border. Priority, always visible. So, set the goal. We want it finished by August 1st. Force the date. And Odoo answers, honestly, that date can't be done. The earliest the whole hierarchy can actually finish, August 6th. No wishful thinking, you know before you promise. And now, the what if in full. This is the same Gantt you already know, except everything on it is simulated. Your real factory hasn't moved an inch, so try things. And there it is, the priority we flagged. Look closely. You see that golden border wrapped around each of these operations? That's our star, showing up right on the plan. One glance, and you know exactly which order matters most. A small detail, but honestly, that's what makes this interface a joy to read. Move an operation, compress the plan. The chain reacts exactly like the real board. Buffers, dependencies, all of it. Every detail stays readable. Dates, work centers, even what's blocked and why. Compare before and after. Try another idea. Take your time. It's a sandbox. And when you're done, you simply walk away. Clear it. Nothing was ever committed. Your real orders never moved. Test anything, risk nothing. So that's MRP in Odoo. From a bill of materials to a planned, on-time build, one connected system, the way your factory actually works. 13 years of real shop floor expertise built right in. Want to see it on your own products? Take the free 4-minute diagnostic. Scan the code or head to doodex.net. That's Odoo, made to measure, made to fit. I'm Jeff. Keep building. And à bientôt.